Mercedes 2020 Plus ECU Remote Unlock exposed. The new AutoTuner feature changing everything. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you to Baabji Motors, your trusted pit stop for everything related to automobile diagnostics, programming tools, and the behind-the-scenes tech that keeps modern vehicles smarter than ever. Before we jump in, here's a quick but essential copyright disclaimer. This content is purely for educational and informational purposes. Everything you see here follows fair use guidelines. All visuals belong to their respective owners, and you should always follow official manufacturer procedures and your local laws when working on any vehicle. Now let me tease the topic a bit right from the start. Today we're diving into a massive update for 2020 and newer Mercedes models using Bosch MD1CP001 and MG1CP002 ECUs. Imagine unlocking these sophisticated ECUs remotely without ever cracking them open and having them ready for BENCH and OBD operations. Sounds almost too good, right? So here's my question for you. If you had a tool that could unlock a modern Mercedes ECU without even lifting a screwdriver to open it, what's the first kind of project you'd use it for? Think about it and stick with me till the end, because I'll not only reveal the answer, but also share a unique insight that might surprise you. Let's get into. AutoTuner has officially introduced remote unlock support for modern Mercedes ECUs, particularly the Bosch MD1CP001, commonly referred to as MRD1, and the MG1CP002, also known as MRG1. These ECUs are found in newer generation Mercedes vehicles where security, encryption, and protection methods have become far more advanced compared to older models. Traditionally, unlocking these units required opening the ECU casing, performing delicate internal work, and praying that no component got damaged during the process. But now, with AutoTuner's new feature, that whole risky step is eliminated. To break it down, the supported ECU brand is Bosch. The specific ECU models included in this new update are the MD1CP001, labeled internally as MRD1, and the MG1CP002, labeled as MRG1. Both of these fall under the MDEG1 family, which Mercedes has been using in their 2020 and newer vehicles. These ECUs handle everything from engine management to emissions optimization, making them extremely sensitive and highly protected. The new method works like this. First, you perform a bench identification to verify whether your ECU qualifies for the remote unlock process. This is simply a connection on the bench without opening the ECU. Once the system confirms your ECU is eligible, the next step is surprisingly straightforward. You ship your ECU directly to the AutoTuner headquarters. No cracking the case open, no risky soldering, no praying to the electronics gods. Just pack it safely and send it in. AutoTuner then performs the remote unlock on your unit. During this procedure, they do not open the ECU manually. They rely on internal algorithms and secure proprietary methods to unlock the system. Once the unlock is complete, they return your ECU to you fully prepared for BENCH and OBD read or write operations using your AutoTuner tool. There is, however, an important warning every technician should remember. Once the remote unlock is performed, the ECU is returned to completely stock condition. This means any previous tuning, remaps, or performance adjustments will be permanently erased. If you were hoping to save an old tune, well, let's just say that tune has gone faster than your phone battery at 3%. But here's the positive flip side. Even if the dealership performs a future update on the same ECU, that update will not undo or affect the remote unlock provided by AutoTuner. The unlocked status stays intact. Let me also highlight how big of a convenience this is for workshops. No more bench clamp drama, no more heating plates, no more microscope-level soldering. The entire remote unlock process cuts down risk, saves time, and gives you a safer, cleaner path to perform ECU reading and writing. To put it simply, once your ECU returns unlocked, you simply mount it back on your bench setup, connect your AutoTuner, and you're ready to read or write data through both BENCH and OBD methods. The entire experience is smooth, efficient, and modern, just like the vehicles it supports. And here's a tiny joke just to keep things fun before we continue. You know, with features like this, even Mercedes ECUs are starting to feel like VIP guests in an airport. Just verify identity, travel securely, and return unlocked without anyone checking inside their luggage. Now, let's bring everything home. Earlier, I asked you what project you would use this kind of remote unlocking feature for. The real answer is simple. This tool is perfect for anyone wanting a safe, non-invasive way to read or write ECUs on modern Mercedes vehicles without risking physical damage. From performance tuning to diagnostics to cloning, this update opens up safer doors for technicians everywhere. Here's my personal take. This update shows how quickly the automotive programming world is evolving. We're shifting from risky hardware manipulations to cleaner, software-based workflows. And honestly, I think this is the future for almost all brands, not just Mercedes. Now I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about remote unlocking? Would you trust sending your ECU to an official tool provider, or would you still prefer local physical work? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Before you go, here's a unique fact. Many technicians don't know that MD1 ECUs use some of the most advanced automotive encryption structures ever created, and yet tools like AutoTuner are consistently finding safe, manufacturer-friendly ways to work around them. If you enjoyed this deep dive, I'd truly appreciate your support. Let's aim high together. Help this video hit 10,000 likes, drop at least 1,000 comments, hype it across YouTube, and make sure you subscribe to Baabji Motors so we can continue bringing you insider-level automotive knowledge. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Until next time, keep exploring, keep diagnosing, and keep learning every single day.